To transfer photos from your Google Photos to iCloud, open your browser and come to this Google Takeout page, and you get this link in this video description box. Once you are in this website, click on your Google photo and select your Google Photos or Google account. In here, click on all photo albums include, and here you can just deselect any album or folder. So in my case, I'm selecting here include all photos and albums in Google Photos, and then clicking on continue. And now we have to verify our Google account password here, and click on continue. And here move to, click on this drop down and select Apple iCloud Photos. So we are going to move our Google Photos to iCloud. So after selecting this, click on continue. And now we have to sign in here using our Apple ID. So enter here your Apple ID, email or phone number, and click on continue. And write here your Apple ID password, click on sign in. And here we can see you will share permissions to add videos to iCloud, permission to add photos to iCloud. Just click on allow. And then you directly jump into the final steps in Google Takeout. Here just click on agree and continue. After that, all of your Google Photos and videos will copy to your iCloud. Thanks for watching.